Kibor Pulit ke East Khasis district hakamiya jang khynthei trek mentau banai ke jing bud dien bantau persai ki brio ki bakai drugs ha upar Mawprem bat tang shikem dum ki Pulit klayo bat shwaya arngut bat nang tai klayo kambiang sik arngut ki brio kan thob arngut shynrang bat arngut khynthei na ka dong lum so pho u IPS u Dr LR Bishnoi lai tu ba ki Pulit klayo ban khanra ha ka tai ka dong ha ying sa jang ki klayo ban kurup u drugs u badan ka jing ki ha do ars pan rup khynthei gram ban rio laktam ka pisa ringkat nyautli ki mobile phone.
Soap boxes of heroin weighing 66.46 grams were seized, 2 mobile phones seized. Also, one Hyundai Eon car also has been seized in this connection. This was caught near the operations with the ANTF team of Shillong. Yesterday, 2 operations were conducted. In one of the earlier operations, the seizure was 68 grams. That was in the afternoon. And in further continuation of the operation, the last night it was the operation concluded in the late night. The team raided in the area of Lower Mawprem, Lumsopo, Shillong, and the seizure is as follows: 20 soap box cases, 20 vials containing heroin of total weight of 268.71 grams, and 7 number of mobile phones were seized. A cash of 6,87,150 has been seized. 25 empty vials, 60 syringes from the possession of 2 male and 2 female, out of which, as DG sir mentioned, one of the lady is a nursing mother. So all the 4 people have been arrested and the case is under further investigation.
We will show you the photograph also. And out of 4, 2 ladies were lactating. They are lactating mothers.
One is nursing mother.
One is lactating mother and another is normal. So these photographs are basically it's evident from these photographs about the involvement of the ladies here. So ladies basically they are very active as far as the supply of drugs are concerned. Sometimes they store at their own houses, sometimes they supply at the different points. So this is the photograph of last night raid, and you can see the case. And there it is visible. The case, nearly 7 lakh rupees cash, and the 7 number of mobile phones, and the heroin packed in the soap cases. So these kinds of the involvements are there.